To check your transaction history on Yahoo Mail, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate through the process easily. Step 1. Log into Yahoo Mail. Open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail website. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access the account information. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or the account icon in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account Info to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Account Security. In the Account Info section, look for Account Security and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can manage your account security settings. Step 4. View Recent Activity. On the Account Security page, scroll down to find the Recent Activity section. Click on this option to see a list of recent transactions and activities associated with your account. Step 5. Review Transaction History. In the Recent Activity section, you will see details of your transaction history, including dates, types of transactions, and any relevant notes. Review this information to keep track of your account activities. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Yahoo Mail. Regularly reviewing your account can help you stay informed about your activities and ensure your account's security.